Joining us now is Dr. Ihor Sawczuk. He's Chief Research Officer at Hackensack Meridian Health in New Jersey. He is also the first patient to receive the Moderna vaccine in a trial at his hospital. Dr. Sawczuk, thank you so much for joining us. When did you take the vaccine, and how are you feeling? Did you have any side effects?
So I was the first volunteer in the Moderna trial at Hackensack University Medical Center. September 28th was my first injection. And then about 10 days ago, I received my second injection. I feel fine. I did not have any, I believe, adverse effects. And I don't know what I received, whether I received the placebo or the actual vaccine. Of course, I hope I received the vaccine, but I don't know.
Are you nervous when you see these reports about polls suggesting the population are less inclined to take the vaccine than they were even months ago?
Yeah, so that doesn't surprise me. People are afraid to participate or even to get the vaccine when a vaccine comes out. And what I will say to them is there always are some risks. I mean, there are risks with the influenza vaccine, but I think we have to put everything into proportion. Our agencies are doing what they're supposed to do. They're monitoring for severe adverse events. I mean, we see 2 trials that have been stopped because of possible events. And I think the safeguards are there. And I would say that, sure, be worried, be concerned, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to take the vaccine.
So your hospital network, New Jersey's largest 17 hospitals, has really been in the eye of the storm. As we understand it, you've had to convert a cafeteria into a COVID unit, have been on the front lines of this thing for a while, and are also doing trials for Regeneron and some other therapeutics. What's your take as we head into a second wave over how much better prepared we are, both from a treatment perspective and techniques and just everything that has been learned?
Yeah, so our system took care of over 13,000 patients since everything started in March, with the first patient coming to Hackensack University Medical Center. Over that time, our clinicians, our physicians, our nurses, our pharmacists, everyone has really learned what therapeutics to use. And very early on, our clinical investigators developed a COVID-19 research steering committee, and we were very early participants in a number of trials. We worked with remdesivir, we worked with tocilizumab from Genentech. Of course, we were part of the Mayo study for convalescent serum, and our own physicians developed investigator-initiated trials using what we call supercharged convalescent serum. And so as we head into the second wave, our teams have advised us to develop some new trials. We are part of the Regeneron monoclonal antibody trial. And so we're looking for new ways to treat this disease.
Dr. Sawczuk, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.